Okay, so I had a really good question. How did I get these tiles on here? So I'm going to show you how to add tiles that will lead you to a separate page. So if I'm in my main page of my passion project, my digital portfolio, and I go to passion projects, you see all these drop downs? Well, if you don't know how to do that, you can watch this video. But then when you actually go to the page, there's these things that, well, if you click on the tile, these are 4 separate passion projects that I've completed. I can click on one of the tiles and it will take me to the page all about that specific passion project. So how do I get those tiles? Let me show you. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on pages up here. Now you have the passion project with all of these sub ones, right? Let's add another one. Let's call it Play-Doh sculptures. Okay, we're going to call it that, and it's nested here. If it's not nested under there, it's fine. Like, you can grab this, you can nest it under anything you want. If you drop it on top of something, it will be nested on top of that thing. I don't want it nested there. I want it nested in Passion Project, so I drop it there. Now this creates a page right here that is nested under Passion Projects. So the next thing I need to do is go back here to this page because I want a tile to click on that will lead people to that place. So then I go to insert, I go to images, and I can upload if it's in my computer. I can select if it's in my drive. So if I go to my drive, let's find a picture of Play-Doh, and we're going to use Paisley. Okay, so I insert a picture of Paisley with her Play-Doh. I can take this picture, I can resize it, I can, do all sorts of whatever size I want. I can, that's a terrible picture, but you get the idea. Okay, so I can also make this link to another page. So I just click Play-Doh Sculptures, I click Apply. Now this picture links to that. Now I also want a text box, and I want it to call Play-Doh Sculptures. I also want this text box to go there because I don't know where people are going to click. So I can go down here, make it connect to it. I can apply it. I could also, if I do that, then I want to delete the other words. I could also make this a button. I could call this Play-Doh Sculptures, and I can link it to Play-Doh Sculptures, and I can insert it, and that would make it a button, and I can resize the button. Okay, and then I might want to decide I don't want this version. So you can do it however you want, and then you can drag this wherever you want it to be. But if you go to see what someone else would see, now you can see that this will take you to Play-Doh Sculptures. And then when you're actually in Play-Doh Sculptures, then you can start building this page so that it looks like these other pages. You can start adding information to it.